So in this particular session, let's see what is the Angular application that we are going to build using a simple output. So for that, let me move to the tab where the Angular application is already running. So this is a simple Angular application which will rely on the third-party API to get the stock details and the time series value of that particular stock. So here in this application, we will be having different views such as home view, wishlist view, and time series view. Where in the home view, we will be able to see all the stock details based on the particular country. For example, India, United States, China, Japan, Australia, and Canada. So this is the home view where I'll be able to see all the stock details of a country called India. I can move to any country such as United States where I'll be able to see all the stocks related to United States stocks. The second view is a time series view where for each any stocks I can click on the time series button here where I will be able to see the time series of that particular stocks. So what is the time, what was the volume, what was the open value, what was the close value, what is the high and low value, and I'll be able to see the time series value. And along with that, I can click on the StockWatch button to come to the home page again where I'll be able to see all the stocks again. So if there is any stock which doesn't have a time series value associated with it, for example, this, if I click on time series, I'll be able to see the time series is not available for this stock due to many reasons. You can come to StockWatch. So along with that, we'll also having a option to add any stock to my wish list just by clicking on add to wish list. So you can click on this add to wish list, which will show an alert has a snack bar where it says a stock has been added to my wish list. So I can go to any country and add them to the wish list. So the once the wish list has been added, we can list down them by clicking on this wish list button. So this will show me all the wish listed items here. So these are some of the items that I have already wish listed and it is stored in a JSON server. So from here itself, I can see the time series value by just clicking on the time series button and I'll be able to see this. So here in this Angular application, we will be using some of the Angular libraries such as Angular MatButton module to show all the button values. We will be using Flex Layout module to show the cards in a Flex Layout module and make the application responsive. We will be using HTTP client module to make a third-party API calls and any REST API calls. And we will be using the Mat-SnackButton module to show the snack bar has an alert. And we also will be using a card module to show all the data in a card format. So this is the output that we are going to build, this application that we are going to build. We'll see the coding in the next video.
By this, we come to the end of this session. Thank you.